It's Tuesday morning. We made it. Today's second day of vacation. Turn up. We're about to go eat jjajangmyeon or salongtang. Not really sure. Jjajangmyeon, I guess. That's what Kevin says. There's Justin. He's sleeping like a baby.
Bro, I don't even know where we are. We're at like a noodle place. That's about all I know.
We are at
Chiang Mai Chinese restaurant.
Okay, guess
You're so bad.
guess who's here? Andrew. Reunited. How was home for a day?
It was actually not that bad because I got to eat
Were you sad?
and I wasn't stuck on a plane.
But did you go to honeymoon? Did you meet I?
Oh, that's true. I didn't see Jivey happen.
But it was better than the plane for you, dude.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the plane was terrible. It was long. We took a nap literally like 3 times, woke up, and we're still at home. Never moved.
Oh, it's gone? How's it feel, Eric, to finally be here?
It feels great. Andrew had a bet with me that he's not gonna
I
sweat.
didn't sweat yet.
He said he's not gonna sweat just by walking in Florida because he doesn't sweat.
I have no armpit hair at all. Like, Eric, could you
No, I'm not gonna.
show them? Like, like 0 armpit hair. So there's no way I'm gonna sweat.
He's underestimated.
Like, I never sweat just because of humidity, just because of walking. And
we'll see.
I'm gonna win this bet, and Eric's gonna owe me a meal.
You're right.
Dude, it's gonna happen.
We'll see. Tomorrow's like 90 degrees. Just
Tomorrow's 80. Okay. Tomorrow we're going to Universal Studios. Universal Studios. I'm pretty excited. Right now we're just waiting for food to come out. Kimbap and ramen.
아니까 한 사람 더 줘야지. 아버지랑 잘래? 나랑 잘래?
So our plan is to go out, see what's out there in the world of Florida. Yeah.
Let me get myself situated.
I think you'd like.
Fall out of bed and catch a fading star. Fancy I woke up before my alarm. Rub my mind through my eyes, it's the best I can do before it's automatic habit of returning to you. Though I smile when it happens, almost as if it was magic. It means there's a God somewhere and he's laughing, and I shuffle my slipperless toes to the kitchen, still low to the ground, but high on living. And I know it's gonna be a good day. Hello, you beautiful thing. Waking up, I stretch my body and acknowledge some aches. Must be something I did yesterday. Pour a cup of liquid gold because my engine's still cold. But in a minute, everything's gonna change.
So we're swimming and I met a friend here. His name's Reggie. Where are you from, Reggie? Tokyo. Yeah. He's awesome. Justin has mastered the.
I think I'm cursed.
Do you have your phone in your pocket?
Yep.
He's walking on water. Obviously.
Guys, I'm walking on water.
How'd you get it? I don't know. There's a door.
So we got here, and then we kind of just like settled down, took a while, and then we just ate. Wait till ramyeon and kimbap, which was you know, pretty standard. And then afterwards we went to this carnival place. Actually, there's some really cool rides like bungee jumping and stuff, but it's really expensive.
It was really expensive.
Cheap Asians, you know.
And then there's the arcades where Andrew and Josh made a bet. Josh is 8 times stronger than Andrew.
8 times, 8 times, literally,
stronger.
literally and laterally.
I punched it wrong, man. I punched it wrong.
And then we swam, obviously, and then what else did we do in the arcade? There's a lot of rides, but it was really expensive. Played a little bit. Oh yeah. So that was our day, and it was just really awesome. Came back. I thought when I started recording, I thought there was gonna be only clips of like driving, but it turned out to be really fun when we got here. Yep. So yeah. Day 2, please sit. Go slap the camera in the mouth.
Alright.